Thanks for joining us for the Purdue University CME Group Ag Economy Barometer November 2023 survey results. I'm Jim Minter, Director of the Purdue Center for Commercial Agriculture, and I'm going to share with you the highlights of this month's survey. The Ag Economy Barometer was up 5 points this month compared to a month earlier, and that leaves the index 13 points higher than it was this time last year, but actually 1 point lower than it was 2 years ago. The current condition index rose 12 points compared to October, and that leaves that index up 15 points compared to November of 2022, while the future expectation index rose just 2 points compared to last month, but that leaves that index 12 points higher than it was in November of 2022. The Farm Financial Performance Index this month was up 3 points compared to October and up 4 points compared to a year ago, but that still leaves that index 11 points lower than it was 2 years ago. When we asked farmers what their biggest concerns were for the upcoming year, they still point to high input costs as a top concern, but rising interest rates and lower crop and livestock prices are also increasingly sources of concern for farmers. The Farm Capital Investment Index was up 7 points this month compared to October, and 11 points higher than it was a year ago. When we followed up and asked producers who think it's a good time to make large investments in their farming operation, compared to last summer, fewer of them are choosing strong cash flows, and more of them are choosing higher dealer inventories as a reason for investing in their farm operation now. The long-term farmland value expectation index was down 5 points this month compared to October, but was 7 points higher than it was a year ago. The short-term index was unchanged compared to October, but it fell 4 points below its year-ago level. Producers who expect values to rise over the next 5 years continue to point to non-farm investor demand as a key source of demand for farmland. That wraps up the highlights for this month's Ag Economy Barometer survey. The full report is available on the Purdue CME Group Ag Economy Barometer website, which is available at purdue.edu/agbarometer. And you can get more details on our podcast, Purdue Commercial AgCast, which is also available on our website. The Purdue Top Farmer Conference is coming up in early January, on January 5th, 2024. You can attend that conference in person in West Lafayette, or you can take part online. Registration info and details are available at purdue.edu/commercialag. On behalf of the Center for Commercial Agriculture, I'm Jim Minter. Thanks for joining us.